45001, 2018, Occupational Health and Safety Management System Lead Auditor Course. Course Introduction. This course is designed to develop a clear understanding of safety management in the modern era, and provide those involved in audit conduct and management with the skills to fulfill their role. This 5-day highly interactive lead auditor training course will enable you to understand the new International Occupational Health and Safety Management System Standard ISO 45001, 2018. You will learn how you can utilize the new standard to understand, manage and maintain internal and external health and safety management duties and performance obligations. With knowledge and understanding of ISO 45001, 2018, you can evaluate your own organization's arrangements against OHS commitments and how they can be improved. Why this course? This course is designed to provide participants with the knowledge and skills required to perform first, second and third-party audits of occupational health and safety management systems ISO 45001, 2018. Reference is made to the standard ISO 19011, Guidelines for Auditing Management Systems and the ISO 17021 Conformity Assessment, Requirements for Bodies Providing Audit and Certification of Management Systems. Who should attend this training? This course is recommended for anyone who is planning to qualify as a lead auditor, or auditor and perform internal or external audits of occupational health and safety management system, as per ISO 45001 standard. Prerequisites. Those attending this course are expected to have prior knowledge of the following. 1. Occupational health and safety management principles and concepts. 2. The plan, do, check, act, PDCA, cycle. 3. The purpose and benefits of an OHSAS management system. 4. A basic knowledge of managing OHSAS through hazard identification, risk assessment, and risk control and compliance with legal and other requirements. 5. A basic awareness of common examples of relevant national and local occupational health and safety legislation and requirements. 6. Commonly used occupational health and safety terms and definitions as given in ISO 45001. Course objectives. To develop delegates' understanding of the principles of health and safety management, requirements of ISO 45001 2018. And teach the theoretical and practical skills required to plan, execute, and report health and safety management systems audits. For detailed information, call us on +92331 599 9937, +92321 505 6755, or WhatsApp +92331 599 9937.